Hong Kong University of Science and Technology is really the leading technology university in Hong Kong. They had been asked to form a secondary campus in China, in Guangzhou, as a sister campus. As an academic institution, they had very, very high sustainability goals. They wanted to be one of the leading sustainability examples in the Greater Bay Area.
When we started the project, their mandate was show us how to design a campus that can really become carbon zero at the same time as China as a country is planning to do so before 2060.
The goal is to have a zero carbon campus, but it's actually really a mixed-use district. It is a 24-hour place between the kind of administration, the laboratories, the classrooms, the various facilities that serve a community. We're trying to build a new piece of urbanism.
The design has to be able to cater for the future mode of learning and teaching and research, while at the same time, the building should be able to adapt to the flexibilities in technology's requirements in order to adapt to the future.
To tackle the very ambitious goal of carbon neutrality in the campus, we came up with 3 big strategies that would allow us to get there. The first one was take a really long-term approach. So we focused on applying the budget for the project in those features that would last the longest and that we couldn't retrofit later down the line. The second big principle for the campus was to apply circular thinking to the design so that everything that would normally be considered waste, we would try to find a way to reuse. Heat rejected from the buildings, all the way to wastewater produced in any of the infrastructure, and even to like food waste and organic resources that would be brought back into the campus. And then the third piece of all of this is tied to the mission of HKUST. Like this idea of the campus as an open experiment. And as students and faculty came in, they would be able to rely on a massive infrastructure of data gathering to learn how the campuses work and improve on processes and run experiments on their own building.
Most universities see themselves as leaders when it comes to the challenges facing the entire planet. So these lessons are really applicable to any work we undertake around the globe, particularly for academic work.